When the Florida heat hits hard, you need a team you can trust to keep your home cool, calm, and comfortable. Comfort starts with clarity. Here's a step-by-step look inside a residential call. The Armstrong way. Step 1. Book your service. Visit our website or give us a call. One of our friendly team members will help you schedule a convenient time that works for you. Step 2. Meet your tech. For added peace of mind, we send you a photo of your technician so you know exactly who's arriving for your service. A certified Armstrong technician, part of our veteran-led 100% employee-owned team, will arrive on time, ready to get the job done right the first time. Step 3. Get a straightforward diagnosis. We'll assess the issue, walk you through what we find, and give you clear options. No guesswork, no upsells. Step 4. Feel the difference. Once approved, we get to work. Our team takes pride in fast, efficient, and honest service. That's the Armstrong way. Whether it's routine maintenance, a full system tune-up, or an emergency repair, we're here to keep you cool year-round. So don't sweat it. Book your AC service today and beat the heat with Armstrong Air.